Hello everyone, moving forward to the next one, in which we'll start by making this face of this beautiful girl which we are gonna learn to make. We'll make her outline of the face and then we'll make her beautiful hairs with some braids on her hairs and then we'll make her body, her beautiful dress and her face with big shiny eyes. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll learn how to make this cute cartoon as shown. We'll make this cartoon who has a nose which looks like a pig and his beautiful eyes and small legs and hands. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will learn how to make this cute monkey who has shiny eyes, who has a smile on his face and who is holding a fruit which is a peach. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll write these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in some different ways as shown and create it into a beautiful face. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will start by making these curvy lines, which is a really easy one, and make it into a really cute cartoon. Thank you for watching the video.